Yogis, come and join me. I want to share with you today a meditation that will help you get centered, help you give yourself a little boost, especially if you're going into an unknown situation or a high pressure situation, and you want to bring all your best resources with you. And number one, great that you've chosen Kundalini Yoga for that. By far, one of my favorite modalities. And secondly, we always want to make sure that our inner talk, our self-talk, is as positive and powerful as possible. So join me, let's sit down, just a quick meditation to get you ready for whatever is sitting next on your to-do list so that you can power through knowing that your inner self is aligned. All right, let's begin. Sit up tall and straight. Take a moment to center your breath, to anchor your breath, to make notice of your spine. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. Press your thumbs into the bone of your chest. Let's tune in and then get to the meditation. Inhale very deeply. Exhale completely. Drop in now, close your eyes. Become aware of your full self, not just your physical body, but your spiritual self, your consciousness. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, and let's tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Listen to the sound. This is the Adi mantra chanted in the sacred language of Gurumukhi. Relax your hands down. We're calling on the vibratory frequency to uplift, to connect the finite to the infinite. The meditation for today uses a mantra in English. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel. Excel, fearless. So it's a positive affirmation and then a supercharge. Excel, as in accelerate, as in move. Excel, excel, fearless. Okay? And this is the way that it works. We'll use a mudra, first finger and thumb to touch. This is called Gyan Mudra. Lay this mudra down onto your knees. Be relaxed, but still straight. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and mentally chant the first part of the mantra, and then exhale, and then we'll do the second part. So I'm going to describe what it is to do in the first few rounds, and then we'll continue together. Closing your eyes now, focus at the chin. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Exhale. Excel, excel, fearless. Inhale. Mentally chant, I am bountiful, I am beautiful, I am bliss. Exhale. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful, I am beautiful, I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful, I am beautiful, I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful, I am beautiful, I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful, I am beautiful, I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. Two more. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. Inhale very deeply. Squeeze and tense all of your muscles. Squeeze, tense, and hold. Tense, tense, tense. Hold, hold, hold. And let it go. Exhale. Two more. Inhale. Squeeze, tense, hold. Let it go. One more time. Inhale. Squeeze, tense, hold. Let it go. Exhale. Good. And just shake out your hands and feel that energy. Isn't it so powerful to speak to yourself like that? To know that the universe is speaking to you through your own words. Let's complete our practice. Long Sat, short Nam. Sat Nam. Ground yourself. Now here's the thing. You've done this today. You can do it 2 times today. It's short, it's dynamic. It's a really powerful way to get yourself through any chapter that's feeling a little bit challenging, where you really have to believe in yourself in order for the next thing to happen. This is the meditation for you. Now, here's a couple more things. This mantra, I am bountiful, I am beautiful, I am bliss, excel, excel, fearless. Use it as you're walking. Use it as you're driving. Use it as you're washing the dishes. Whatever it is that you're doing, you can bring the power of your words into your beingness. Every cell will hear you. And that's so incredibly powerful. All right, so there's some ways to extend it off the mat. Remember that you can do it twice a day if that's what you need. And there are so many other ways for us to work together. Like, subscribe, be here on this channel. That's a great way to start. And then as you feel the power of Kundalini Yoga, you might want to take the next steps. That's a numerology consult. Find out where you are in life right now from your soul's perspective, and use Kundalini Yoga to really leverage what you find out in that reading. It's personal to you, it's you and me, it's private, and a really powerful way to understand who you are from a soul perspective. If you'd like more, come in for some coaching, you and me, for 6 weeks or 12 weeks, and we'll sort out whatever it is that your journey requires right now. And then the next 2 programs are more of a community experience. Join Harmony Within. We meet every week. We meet also twice a month. And those are opportunities to practice together, to learn together, to speak, to use your voice, and then Kundalini Yoga training. Come and do what I thought was not possible, and that is to be a leader, to be someone who has a solid hold on the teachings and is using it to better the lives of everyone around you. And all of those things, whether you do it for your personal interest or you do it for your community, is an incredible way to give back to yourself and the reason why you came here. Lots of love. Until we see each other again, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Thank you for being with YogaVision. We love you, and we couldn't do it without you. Sat Nam.